The Renault EZ-GO, a fully autonomous electric vehicle designed for urban mobility. This sleek, futuristic shuttle is not just about looks, it's all about function. The EZ-GO is built to be a driverless, shared electric vehicle that carries passengers from one place to another without a human behind the wheel. Think of it as a personalized public transport system, with no drivers or passengers cramped together. The spacious and minimalist interior allows passengers to relax, work, or socialize while being transported smoothly through city streets. Best of all, it's powered by electricity, reducing pollution and making it an eco-friendly option for urban environments. The Renault EZ-GO is truly a glimpse into a future where transport is efficient, clean, and convenient. The Qooder, an incredible four-wheeled scooter that redefines personal transportation. This Swiss innovation combines the best of two worlds, offering the freedom and excitement of a motorcycle with the stability and comfort of four wheels. The Qooder uses hydraulic tilting technology, which allows it to lean into corners, just like a motorcycle but without the risk of tipping over. Whether you're zipping through the city or taking on winding roads, the Qooder gives you an unmatched riding experience. It's perfect for those who want the thrill of two-wheel driving without sacrificing safety or comfort. Plus, it's compact and nimble enough to navigate through heavy traffic with ease, making it a perfect urban commuter solution. The Moog S250, a cutting-edge electric off-road vehicle that takes off-roading to a whole new level. The Moog S250 is built to conquer the toughest terrains while minimizing environmental impact. Powered by electric motors, this rugged machine is designed to explore nature's most challenging landscapes, whether it's dense forests, rocky trails, or swampy marshes. With its advanced suspension system and powerful electric motors, the S250 offers both power and precision on rough terrain, ensuring that nothing can stand in your way. It's the perfect ride for adventurers who want to enjoy the outdoors without leaving a trail of pollution behind. The SkyRunner MK 3.2, an exciting hybrid vehicle that combines off-road performance with flying capabilities. This vehicle is not just for driving, it can actually take off and fly, giving you the ability to travel over rugged terrain that would normally be impassable by car. The SkyRunner has retractable wings, a lightweight build, and an efficient engine that allows you to soar above obstacles and quickly get to your destination, all while maintaining the thrill of an off-road adventure. Whether you're crossing a mountain range, flying over a forest, or just need to avoid a traffic jam, the SkyRunner offers a truly unique and adrenaline-pumping way to travel. It's the vehicle for the true adventurer, offering the ultimate freedom on both land and in the sky. The Can-Am Maverick R Max. This high-performance off-road vehicle is a true powerhouse, with a turbocharged engine that delivers an incredible 195 horsepower, allowing you to tackle sand dunes, mud trails, and rocky paths with ease. The Maverick R Max comes equipped with a sophisticated suspension system that ensures a smooth ride over the roughest terrains. Whether you're cruising through the desert, navigating tight trails, or just enjoying some fun in the dirt, this off-road beast gives you the power and control you need to conquer any challenge. It's packed with cutting-edge technology that improves handling, safety, and comfort, so you can enjoy every ride to the fullest. The Maverick R Max is perfect for thrill seekers who want to push the limits of off-road driving. The Trisfix e-bike. This foldable electric bike is designed for city dwellers who want an easy, eco-friendly alternative to driving a car. The Trisfix combines the benefits of an e-bike with the convenience of a foldable design, making it ideal for commuters who need to store their ride in tight spaces or take it on public transportation. The electric motor provides assistance as you pedal, making your ride smoother and less strenuous, especially on hills or longer distances. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, The Tris Fix ensures a fast, comfortable, and green commute. It's an efficient, flexible way to navigate the city while reducing your carbon footprint. The Novus One, a futuristic electric scooter that takes urban mobility to a whole new level. The Novus One is made with lightweight carbon fiber, making it incredibly strong yet easy to handle. With its clean lines and minimalist design, the Novus One is a real head-turner, combining form and function in one high-performance package. It's equipped with a powerful electric motor that offers impressive speed and range, making it a practical option for getting around town. The Novus One is perfect for city commuters looking for an eco-friendly, stylish, and efficient way to travel, and it gives you the freedom to navigate crowded streets with ease. With its smart technology and sleek aesthetics, the FLJ AT-S4, an all-terrain vehicle that's as tough as it is innovative. This hybrid electric vehicle is designed to tackle extreme conditions, from rocky hills to muddy swamps. With its compact yet rugged design, the AT-S4 is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore remote areas without leaving a heavy environmental footprint. Powered by a combination of electric and traditional fuel, the AT-S4 delivers a powerful performance while keeping emissions low. It's built to take on the harshest environments, yet it remains agile and maneuverable enough for tight spaces. The FLJ AT-S4 is the ideal companion for those who want to explore nature in a sustainable way, while still getting the durability and power needed for tough terrain. The LyteHorse is a fantastic option. This electric motorcycle is designed to deliver the power and agility of a traditional bike, with the added benefit of a completely sustainable electric engine. The LyteHorse is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with power. The electric motor provides rapid acceleration and smooth, silent operation, giving riders an exciting experience without the environmental impact of traditional gas-powered bikes. Whether you're commuting through the city or taking on winding country roads, the LyteHorse offers an eco-friendly and thrilling alternative to fossil fuel motorcycles. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to embrace the future of motorcycle technology while reducing their carbon footprint. The VeloMetro, a personal electric vehicle designed to combine the benefits of cycling with the protection of an enclosed cabin. This pedal-powered vehicle is perfect for urban commuters who want to avoid traffic while staying dry and comfortable, regardless of the weather. The VeloMetro features a sleek, aerodynamic design that helps reduce drag and increase efficiency, while the electric assist motor makes pedaling easier and more enjoyable. It's a low-cost, eco-friendly alternative to cars and public transportation, ideal for those who want to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing convenience or comfort. The VeloMetro offers a practical solution for navigating crowded cities and provides a fun, healthy way to get around. The POLARIS SPORTSMAN Touring 570 is an ATV built to handle any trail or adventure. Powered by a 570 cubic centimeter engine, this rugged vehicle offers plenty of power to tackle rough landscapes, whether you're exploring forests, mountains, or remote trails. It's built for comfort with its two-up seating, allowing you to bring a passenger along for the ride. Whether you're hunting, camping, or simply exploring the wilderness, the Sportsman Touring 570 is designed for durability and stability, ensuring a smooth ride no matter how challenging the terrain gets. It's perfect for anyone who loves the thrill of off-roading, but wants to do it in style and comfort. The Leaperkim Veteran Patton, an electric motorcycle that brings a rugged, military-inspired design to the world of off-roading. Built for the most demanding outdoor adventures, the Veteran Patton combines durability and cutting-edge electric technology. With a focus on performance, this bike can easily handle rocky terrain, muddy trails, and snow-covered roads, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to explore the great outdoors in an environmentally friendly way. The electric drivetrain offers instant torque, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride, while its silent operation is perfect for nature lovers who want to enjoy the wilderness without disturbing it. Not just tough, the veteran Patton is also highly efficient, with a long battery range that will get you further than you'd expect on a single charge. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to conquer rough terrain, or an eco-conscious rider who wants to reduce your carbon footprint, the Leaperkim veteran Patton is built to get you there, quietly and sustainably. With military-grade specs and electric technology, it's the perfect blend of power, practicality, and green transportation. The Yamaha Wolverine R Max 4000, a high-performance UTV designed for off-road enthusiasts who demand the very best in power, comfort, and versatility. This 999 cubic centimeter engine beast is built to conquer tough trails, rocky landscapes, and uneven terrain with ease. Whether you're tackling steep inclines, winding trails, or sand dunes, the Wolverine R Max 4000 offers superior handling and control, making it perfect for outdoor adventurers and sports enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the R Max 4000 is its advanced suspension system, which ensures a smooth ride even when the terrain gets challenging. This vehicle is designed to handle the rough stuff, with a heavy-duty build and off-road tires that grip the ground with precision. What sets the Wolverine R Max 4000 apart from other UTVs? The Kenworth's SuperTruck 2. This isn't just another heavy-duty truck. This is the future of freight transportation. The SuperTruck 2 is part of a project backed by the U.S. Department of Energy, with the goal of reducing the environmental impact of long-haul trucking while improving fuel efficiency and performance. What makes this truck so special? It's equipped with a hybrid powertrain, which combines a traditional diesel engine with an advanced electric system, making it significantly more fuel efficient than conventional trucks. The SuperTruck 2 also boasts aerodynamic advancements, including a highly streamlined design that reduces drag and enhances fuel economy. On top of that, Kenworth has integrated lightweight materials and advanced technologies that help this truck carry more cargo while using less fuel. The result is a truck that delivers better performance and lower emissions, making it a win for the environment, logistics companies, and truckers alike. This innovative vehicle is leading the way for sustainable freight transportation, and it represents a crucial step toward greener logistics in the future. The Arcimoto Roadster, an electric vehicle that's changing the way we think about city commuting. This isn't your typical car. It's a three-wheeled electric roadster designed to be a fun, sustainable, and efficient alternative to driving a traditional car. The Arcimoto Roadster is built for short urban trips, offering a compact and eco-friendly solution for city dwellers who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the thrill of driving. With its unique design, the Roadster provides the open-air feel of a motorcycle, but with the added comfort and safety of an enclosed cabin. It's perfect for navigating through city traffic, and its electric motor ensures a smooth, quiet ride.